Hello everyone, welcome to Research Hub. What if I told you that you can create a stunning, technical, isometric infographic using just one simple prompt in Google Gemini? Sounds unreal, right? But with the latest Nano Banana update, it's now incredibly easy to turn your ideas into clean, professional visuals in seconds. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the exact process step by step so you can create these eye-catching infographics yourself. No design skills needed. Let's get started. The first step is to choose the object or concept you want to transform into an infographic. You can keep your idea broad, like a TV, or make it more detailed by choosing a specific model. Next, open a new chat and enable Nano Banana 2. Just click on Tools and select the Create Images option. After that, make sure you switch on the Pro or Thinking model for better results. Now, copy the prompt displayed on your screen and replace the text inside the brackets with the item you want to convert into an isometric infographic. For example, in this case, I'll use a smartphone as my subject. All right, now hit Submit and give it a few seconds to generate. And here it is. Take a look. You'll get a clean, high-quality visual with a realistic render right at the center, surrounded by clearly labeled internal components, all color-coded for easy understanding. It even includes the device's dimensions and a clear diagram explaining how everything works together. Pretty impressive, right? If you want to save your infographic, simply click the Download button in the top right corner. You'll find the full prompt in the pinned comment below along with the original source. The best part? You can use this method to visualize almost anything you can imagine. For example, if you're a teacher, you can use this to create visuals of scientific machines like an internal combustion engine. Or, if you want to get creative, you can even generate imaginary objects like a magical flying broomstick. And yes, this prompt also works in ChatGPT. The results are quite good, but personally, I still find Gemini's outputs a bit more refined. What do you think? Let me know your opinion in the comments below. Here's something really interesting. You can even upload these infographics back into Gemini and ask it to generate music based on them. Sounds unbelievable, right? First, I'll enable Lydia along with the thinking mode. Next, I'll upload this infographic image and ask it to turn the visual into a song. And just like that, it's done. Let's give it a listen.
Hours, got the T-Con and the Wi-Fi chip, a signal, LED backlight matrix glowing, all the thermal currents flowing, and the liquid crystal layers, a million silent little prayers. Fingertip, LED backlight matrix glowing, all the thermal currents flowing, and the liquid crystal layers, a million silent little prayers.
The song captures the essence of the infographic, reflecting its colors, shapes, and overall design in a creative musical interpretation. Lydia analyzed the image carefully and generated a tune that matches what it saw, highlighting the structure and flow of the infographic in a fun, melodic way. You can download the generated song by clicking the button here. The current limitation is that Lydia can only produce songs up to 30 seconds long, but full-length tracks may be possible in future updates. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop them in the comments below. And remember, Gemini can do much more than just turn images into songs. To truly master its features, check out the video displayed on your screen. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more informative video.